We don't come back, una know, yes. We go blow una tori. We don't get plenty tori today, but a small day, we don't decide, say, we knock am for una. We knock am, if I, una answer, no, una de, I throw am, una talk say yes, yes, If una don't answer, say yes, yes, then time we throw am, it don't reach. I don't salute all man, now una tori time. We'll go for that side for Yaoundé. What's happen for day? Una know say some phenomenon they way or something they happen now where they call it say microbes them. That means say now group of picking them, young picking them. Where they work they the whole knife, they the whole razor blade, they the worker attack people them. That means say they fit enter for some street so they attack all man for day. They thief una thing then take and cockot una with knife and with razor blade. They call the same microbe. They picking now, they don't go from that their group for that microbe them. They go for that side for Mokolo. They enter Mokolo market for Yaoundé. They be don't come there. No the first time that they no say they be don't put trap for them for day. Now so they enter for Mokolo. Pararam pam pam pararam pam pam. Now so people they run. Microbe don't enter oh, microbe don't enter market, microbe don't enter market. They don't make them encyclement. That one a French one talk about. They put them for me to ring. They put them for they catch them. Now so the thing happen, countryman, countrywoman. 27 of them. They didn't have for that side. Tout le monde kondengi. Mais le ministre kondengi. Bala malanda kondengi. Danamena kondengi. Ala balamba kondengi. Yes. They never kondengi now. They sing for that side for kondengi. Now send una go learn lesson. Anytime, anything. That's why they happen. They come begin make up. They take people them. They wound someone them. That last time maybe happen for Douala and for that side for Bali. For Bali, what happen? They enter two, they do the very thing. They saw one person die. So it don't be now for play way, it didn't have for way. They always look up, it will show say anytime with that picking, they go try to do something. They go put their hand for them. Uno no. They feel catch them, and then they go pay or they go answer for what way they do. So now so the matter a day with them we crop them. Country people, Tory day. Another Tory now. Now wait. Now Tory, we Minister for Women Palaba, he don't vacate. Minister for Women Palaba, he talk say, we no fit try that thing. Some website they call one na Jeleba or na Jedolo, one na Jedolo. That's what they call that website. The website, it do it. It do that palaba pornography. It take picking them, small picking them, he put them together, and then they begin do mommy with the big people. So what happen? It don't be say minister don't look at because they don't talk about that thing plenty. They don't talk am say now what did happen? So minister don't look at the thing on pass. He say he must talk the matter. He signed some BB book. BB book when minister sign am. He say people they behind that website where they promote them, they will catch them. Secondly, if ban the website. But now the question I say, na Minister of Communication gave ban the website or na Minister for Women Palaba, we don't know. But it be very important for take care for picking them. Because that they say ale na some very bad thing. They take picking them for underage. Underage picking them. Put out people the way they get buru. Now so the thing they happen. So that kind of traffic for picking them, they don't talk say not correct for country. So the website, people the way they did it, I should say they did ask themselves now say food, which I chop, I not give you. Because governor, he don't want to begin do, he want continue for crack down all that kind of people the way they do that kind of nonsense them, where they take picking them, they play with them. So one in the way, sometimes they will go me tell they are picking them for that website. When I don't know that artist way, if he take a picking, he turn up for woman. A picking way born and two of the picking the way born up. He take the picking them, he turn up for a woman. So now so the thing they happen, countryman, countrywoman. If you wanna know say una be concerned. If una know say una don't enter for that website, una know say una people, una pikin, any person dey for that kind of website, make they come out very fast because man no know they fit make a so they go catch them. Una know no when they catch them, they put them for play where they go put them. Cry go start. So than for the wait to make time for cry reach, better any man just come out for that kind of website where it is say picking them, it make a no even say picking them, go na sex working website them. So the doctor say it end for here. Like Nigeria, they don't talk their own, so they no one see that kind of thing for day because if you go before the way, if you dey for the way, if you go bad past place. Countryman, countrywoman, it has accept say na yes, Tori a day. And Tori wey dey na e wo the blow am for una. O the blow the time na Tori for Ndamba. Wetin happen? Cameroon play against Equatorial Guinea. For Cameroon team, countryman, countrywoman, a passy na e be dey for goalkeeper. For that goalkeeper, a passy wey be dey, e happen say wetin, say they make am fine. So Cameroon play now 1-1 with Equatorial Guinea. Now who score the goal for Cameroon? I know say na the question when they ask am. The person who score the goal na Abubakar 25. They call am say Vincent. That's what they call am. One na Vincent, one na Vincent, one na Vincent. So na Abubakar Vincent he scored the goal. Cameroon be line up Davis Epassi, Enzo Flavien Boyomo, Jean-Charles Castelletto, Mahamadou Nagida, Guy Marcelin Kilama, Jean Onana, Williti Yanoussa, Atu Avom, Patrice Soko, Florent Batum, and Vincent Abubakar will be there na captain. So the team pass the way they pass. But the other two happen and say Africa week. He make mistake for flag for Cameroon. Instead of use flag for Cameroon, they go take na flag for Senegal. Put them for place for flag for Cameroon. So Africa week, Cameroon no be na Senegal. Or the infographer the way they work for the what happen where they make that kind of mistake. Now the question where we ask them. They no work with Cameroon and they may show them the flag for Cameroon. Or this thing self, it is online. You don't need for work with some person for no flag for some country. If you don't know, they go just tell you, you go online and then you see them. Now so the matter day. Countryman, countrywoman, Tori a day. When they ask una self say, Ndamba na how? Una know no, Ndamba na sense. And sense from Ndamba, it don't go before way, it don't be for way, it don't be. Union Sportive for Douala. Union Sportive for Douala don't go down. They all man they talk about the matter for Union Sportive for Douala. Union Sportive now for second division where they go play. Where no day. You put anyhow, you turn them anyhow, you mix them anyhow. You look at the way the team they look at. No way. Union for Douala, you go play next season. Now for second division. And that's some very bad news that for all my way don't support this club. You know, a very BB club again, better history for better BB player the way they don't pass today. So you know now this year it bad for the way it be bad. So the club now don't go now for second division. So now MTN Elite 1 that and news that we come up for MTN Elite 1. It is still continue for play. But after we see all the results, we see what they happen. We don't say miracle no go happen. Yes, miracle no go happen for Union for Douala. You put them how you put them. Union for Douala, you don't reach for way, you don't correct. So the next season they go play now for second division. Countryman, countrywoman. Now for year, we will go put in for this small program where we don't manage and today for una. As I be tell una, the program, just there plenty news they no be there for program today. We will come up with this song where the man is sing now. The group of boys that they sing they be 3 now. They don't be now at 2. I talk about Ismailia, Ice, Auguste, and Roger. Now Auguste don't come out for the group. Now Roger and Ice they remain for the group. They sing about Domba. They sing about betrayers, about hypocrites. They talk say, man, we dey give chop today. If you been at the person way, it cause you problem. We go cause you problem tomorrow, or it go bring you downfall tomorrow. More listen to the song. As I always talk, anytime, anywhere. If una see my back,